You're listening to DJ Krusty Seaman, broadcasting live across the Broadwater. Patchy showers in the morning, clearing in the afternoon. Stay safe out there, mofo's.
After a while you realise this ain't what I want to keep going through, and you just stop. Yeah, see, that's the thing, isn't it? One day it hits you. You sit there staring at the same old mess, the same old cycle, and you think, nah, not anymore. Not because you're weak, not because you can't handle it, because you finally see it for what it is. Some fights ain't worth the bruises. Some roads ain't leading anywhere. And so, yeah, you stop. And that's the bravest thing you'll ever do.
Living on a boat is maybe not so great if you're a binchook bowerbird hybrid. If you like collecting things for a rainy day, things that you may need, it's probably not the way to do it. And I've realised that. I once walked across Spain with nothing more than what I could carry on my back. And it was kind of liberating. What we own, in a way, possesses us. I've let this tender go a little bit. My reasoning is that if it looks as rough as guts, no one's going to nick it. That's worked so far, but now it's got a hole in it. One job a day. Just work through the most urgent and keep going. One job a day. I enjoy cooking and have access to fresh, organic, community garden veggies. I've learned to do things in one pot. Today, it's broccoli, purple cabbage, pak choy, bok choy, carrots and pumpkin with coriander, ginger, garlic and spring onions in a coconut oil, peanut butter and sweet chili jam sauce.
been here before, making a list of things that need to be done. You'll always find new things to add to that list, but it's a great way to track your progress and feel as though you're getting somewhere.
DJ Krusty Seaman signing off for the night. Your pirate radio voice across the Broadwater. And remember, watch out for those ghost ships that only move at night.